Have you ever heard of an easement in real estate? If not, don't worry, I can explain it to you. An easement is a legal right that allows someone who doesn't own a piece of land to use that land for a specific purpose. It's kind of like a permission slip for someone to use a part of your property. There are different types of easements, but let's start with the most common one. An easement appurtenant is attached to a specific piece of property, and it's transferred with the sale of that property. For example, if you own a property that's landlocked and there's no other way to access it, you could obtain an easement appurtenant from a neighboring property owner to allow you to use their driveway or pathway to get to your property. Another type of easement is an easement in gross. This one is not attached to a specific piece of property, but instead is held by an individual or organization. A common example of this would be a utility company that has the right to run power lines or other infrastructure through various properties to provide service to their customers. Prescriptive easements are another type of easement. These are created when someone uses a piece of property for a specific purpose for a certain amount of time without permission from the owner. If the use is continuous and uninterrupted for a set period of time, usually several years, it can result in a prescriptive easement being granted. This is also known as adverse possession or squatter's rights. Finally, there are express easements, which are created through a legal agreement between the property owner and the individual or organization seeking the easement. This type of easement is usually specified in a written document that outlines the purpose of the easement, the area of land that will be used, and any compensation that will be provided. It's important to understand easements because they can have an impact on the value and use of a property. If you're considering buying or selling real estate, it's important to research any existing easements on the property and understand their terms. This can help you avoid any potential disputes or complications down the road.
If you learned something from this video today, be sure you give it a like and subscribe to the Barton Realty channel for more great real estate content.